Hello and welcome to vthwealth.com. This is VT Abbar. Recently, SBI Card has announced its result for financial year 2019-20. Let us analyze and discuss the result. Its total income has increased by 33.8%. In 2019, it was 7,286.85 crores. In 2020 financial year, it has increased to 9,752.29 crores. Interest income has increased by 35.4%. For financial year 2019, it was 3,575.71 crores. For financial year 2020, it has increased to 4,841.30 crores. Income from the fees has increased by 29.5%. For the financial year 2019, it was 3,072.04 crores. In financial year 2020, it is increased to 3,976.66 crores. Profit after tax has increased by 43.9%. In 2019, it was 864.97 crores. For financial year 2020, it is increased to 1,244.82 crores. Number of cards increased by 28%. In 2019, there were 83 lakh cards issued by SBI Card. In 2020, they have issued up totally 1.05 crores in total. Total cards issued so far by SBI Cards is 1.05 crores. Spends on cards. Spends on cards grow by 27% to 1,30,915 crores. In 2019, it was 1,03 crore 265. Market share of cards. Market share of cards is increased to 18.2%. In 2019, their market share of card was 17.6%. Market share of spends. Market share of spends increased from 17.1% in 2019 to 17.9% in 2020. Cost to income has improved. The cost to income tells us how much money is spent to earn 100 rupees. In 2019, they spent 59.20 rupees to earn 100 rupees, whereas in 2020, they spent only 56.30 rupees to earn 100 rupees. So, it is a good sign for the company. Gross NPA is reduced. This is also a good sign for the company. The NPA means non-performing asset, which means the loans which are not recovered. So, non-recovered loans have decreased in percentage from 2.44 in 2019 to 2.01% in 2020. Operating cost increase is one of the disadvantage. It is increased by 26% from 3,794.67 crore in 2019 to 4,780.95 crore in 2020. Impairment losses means losses due to the depreciation of asset and bad debit increase. Bad debit means the loan which may not get recovered. So this is another disadvantage. So this is increased from 1147.74 crore in 2019 to 1940.25 crore in 2020. In conclusion, company has fundamental or strong and market leader in credit cards with highest market share. Stock price may go down after coming quarterly result, as there are not much businesses in April, May and June 2020 due to COVID-19 lockdown. Though business is slowly picking up, volume of business is not same as before COVID-19. After COVID-19 slowdown, it may take 3 to 6 months to reach the same business level as earlier. Subsequently, stock is expected to pick up in long run. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please visit the website.